In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Microsoft Outlook Calendar is a powerful tool that can help you manage your schedule effectively, and I'll walk you through the basics to get you started. To begin, open Outlook and locate the calendar icon, which you will often find at the bottom or the side of your Outlook window. Clicking on this icon will take you to your calendar view. Here, you have the flexibility to see your schedule laid out in various formats such as day, week, or month view. This versatility makes it easy to plan and organize your activities at a glance. Now, creating a new event or meeting is straightforward. Look for the option to click on New Event or New Meeting. This will open a form where you can input all the necessary details. Start with the title of your event, like Project Meeting, for instance. Then select the date and the time to specify when this event or meeting will occur. You also have the option to input a location, although this is entirely optional depending on your needs. There's also a description box where additional details or notes can be added, which is particularly useful for making sure you don't forget any relevant points about the event. If the event is solely for your benefit, you can simply save it as an event in your calendar. However, if you are planning a meeting and need to include others, you'll need to invite attendees by adding their email addresses in the space provided for invites. Once you have entered all the required information, you can click Save if it's an individual event or Send if it's a meeting that involves other participants. Let's explore inviting people to a meeting a bit further. Once you create a meeting event, there's a specific area labeled To or Attendees field. This is where you'll input the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Outlook will then send an invitation to these contacts, enabling them to respond directly through the platform. They will have the options to accept, decline, or mark the meeting as tentative, which allows you to know who is attending and plan accordingly. This intuitive integration makes Outlook Calendar an essential tool for coordinating and communicating with your team or participants efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your scheduling process and ensure that everyone stays on track with their commitments. With these tools at your disposal, managing your calendar has never been easier, and that's a basic introduction to using the Outlook Calendar in Microsoft Outlook. I hope that you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to make the most of your calendar. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!